Cape Town, a passenger train burst into flames on Thursday after striking two vehicles at a crossing in a remote part of central South Africa, killing at least 18 people and injuring more than 260, authorities said. Mondli Mvambi, a spokesman for the provincial health department, said that a truck driver had miscalculated the train's speed and tried to dash across the tracks at the crossing, just outside the town of Kroonstad, and that her passenger vehicle had also been involved. The death toll may rise, Mvambi said. 3 burnt carriages are yet to be lifted to check if anyone is trapped inside. It can take 36 hours. Rescuers are working as fast as they can. National Transport Minister Joe Maswanganyi told news outlets that the truck driver had been taken to the hospital. "We are going to do a blood test to verify if he was sober or not," Maswanganyi said.